I'd had progressive weakness of my left leg, and I thought that I could just exercise and do yoga and do all of those things, and nothing was really working. And it got to the point where my left leg was literally dragging most of the time when I walked. I also started having pain, which I'd never had before, in my lower back. It was getting very difficult to go from a sitting to standing position.
As a surgeon, I think it's really important to get to know your patients well, to design a plan of care that will result in the best possible outcome for each person. In many cases, there are a lot of different treatment options that are available. When I met with Diana, we discussed different treatment options, and I recommended a lumbar fusion. Over many years, our hospital has developed the experience and expertise to perform these surgeries in the safest way possible and to bring our patients the best possible outcome.
I think one of the most important things about my experience going through Dr. Momin and St. Mary's was the coordination of care. All the pieces I felt were connected from the very beginning. All of my care was right here in Grand Junction, from physical therapy to all my physicians to the surgery. That was the very, very best, is being able to be close to home. I've been given back a piece of my life that I thought was gone. I'm able to be active. I go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week, and I'm able to do the things that I want to do.